Okay. So we need a new narrative. What does that mean? See, our national debate or conversation, we have the same narrative. Oh, we need a mental health crisis. Oh, we need more money for more psychiatry, more medication. But I was saying that will not solve the problem. Okay? That will not solve the problem. Because there's also a spiritual, cultural dimension to the problem. Okay? Medicine cannot fill your spiritual hunger. Medicine cannot correct a toxic culture. So the limitation, medical science is very powerful, but they're limited to science. Okay? And there's the culture, there's spirituality, there's a social relationship. All those things have to be taken care of. Yeah. First of all, in our society, we lost protective factors. Faith community, a stable home. Many kids grew up in single parent homes. They see their parents fight and the family split. And that can be a traumatic effect on children. And we know many people do no longer belong to a faith community. Whatever religion, whatever limitation a religion may have, but research has shown so clearly faith community is a very important support system. Okay, provide you the emotional support you need in time of crisis. And many people are doing that. And thirdly, this is very interesting, a social smartphone, not small phone. Sorry for the typo. Smartphone and social media. Increase the opportunity for instant communication, but it actually decreased the opportunity for deep face-to-face relationship. And research has shown very clear that the more time you spend on the screen, whether it's iPhone or computer, the less happy you are. You know that? The more time you spend on iPhone and the computer, the less happy, the fewer friends you have. Okay? And number three, lack of preparedness and coping skills for life's inevitable problems. Now, this is something that I don't know how to start even. You know, I see my grandchildren. My son is a Harvard professor, well educated, and my other son is a big time lawyer. But all they know is to pamper, spoil their children. You know, I don't try to see it. In Chinese, and I see because that's my wife taking me that my children hear that they'll be upset. But anyway, so but in my days, your children learn respect, reliability, right? Not just me. I want more. But now, you don't give to me, I threw a temper tantrum. See, in college, the parents do everything for them. Yeah? Pamper them, coddle them. They're not prepared. They don't have the proper attitude. They don't have the proper skill to face reality, hard reality of life. Okay, number four is unrealistic expectations. Expectations are the mother of all disappointments, frustrations. We expect everything to go better. So our realistic expectations of happy, looking good, successful. The baby boomers learn the hard way. they know that there are only certain jobs for people, certain spot for the people on top. So now people better learn that unrealistic expectations only brings you heartbreaks and disappointments. Okay? So the result is kind of alienation, helplessness, fear and hopelessness, and meaninglessness. Lead to addiction, depression, and suicide. Suicide is aggression against self, okay? Or violence against others, aggression against others. So Frankl is right all along. All the problems we have, largely due to that we do not have those things that make life healthy and happy. Okay? Any question?